Hi you guys, welcome to my next video. My name is Kelsey and we are going to be doing an update with June. This is going to be her 11-month update. The last monthly update before you're 1 year old. Can you believe it? Time has flown by. At 11 months old, June is weighing 22 pounds and she is about 30 inches tall. So at 11 months old, some of June's favorite things are airplanes and birds. These are her favorite whenever we are outside. She loves pointing them out. She can hear them from like so far away, see them from so far away, tiny, tiny little birds, and loves to point them out and show us them. A couple other things that she likes to do is sing her songs. You wanna sing your song? How does it go? No, 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 no. Something like that. Anyway, she loves this new song we have in music class. And you love to sing it. It's so funny. I know it's playing in her head because I'll just catch her like singing it by herself, like in the high chair or in the stroller, just doing no, no, na 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 na. Yeah. Besides singing, she also just loves to communicate. She has like this secret little language that is so cute. It's like whispering kind of. She loves to talk in this little secret language of hers. Ay, ay, ay. And also she loves to make all kinds of noise. She will scream at the top of her lungs. No matter where we are at, she does not care. So she's definitely a little talker. She has a lot to say and we love it. A few other things that she likes to do is to climb up and down the stairs with supervision, of course. She loves walking. Yeah, you do have to do that, huh? She loves walking all over with her little walker, and she will go fast. She goes, rah, just like pushes it everywhere, all throughout the house. She loves to be outside. She loves to go out on the jogs with us. And she's even bear crawling now, which is the cutest thing. Loves to just pull herself up and stand. She plays in her little water table she just got. She just stands there with the support of the table and will play there forever. And she's just a very active, happy baby. One thing she did this month that was so cute was we really gave her the chance to interact with her reflection. She definitely thinks her reflection is another baby. And so she's the cutest with this baby friend. At 11 months old, Juniper's favorite food is blueberries and cheese. So she still loves all kinds of food. She's still a really good eater. But she definitely has her favorites and she's getting a little bit pickier. I wouldn't say picky, she still eats like pretty much everything. But if there is something that is her favorite, she will definitely eat that first and definitely wants more of that before she eats anything else. She does still nurse. As you can see, she wants to nurse. But not very often, just probably a few times a day. Usually first thing in the morning and before nap times or going to bed. Then sometimes just when she needs a little extra comfort. Oh Lord, what's up? Her new favorite book is the One Love book. It's the book adapted after the Bob Marley song One Love, and she is obsessed. I will read it to her and she wants me to read it again and again, and I will put it in her crib with her now. And she will just sit in her crib before she falls asleep and like look through it. She is just in love with that book. It's her new favorite. Something that was a little surprising for me is that she's actually starting to do puzzles. Before, whenever I gave her a puzzle, she just like pulled out the pieces, threw them. That was like really fun for her. But now she's actually taking those pieces and trying to put them back. She doesn't quite get it. She doesn't always put them back where they belong. They don't quite fit in. But a few times she actually has put those puzzle pieces back where they belong. It's crazy that she's now gone from just like tossing the pieces to already tossing them and then like putting them back and trying to put them back where they belong. It's just so fun to watch her grow and like learn new things. One thing that I think is especially cute, I love, is that she can not only blow kisses, but she gives kisses. Mwah! Can you go mwah? Mwah! Especially in the morning, it is the sweetest thing. She gives kisses to me, to Corbin, and she even gives kisses to Paris. It's so cute. She'll snuggle in the bed, give everyone kisses. She sees Paris down at the foot of the bed and like tries to get his attention, and then as soon as he crawls up to her, she goes, mwah. It's so cute. I love it. You love to give kisses, huh? So sweet. But besides that, I mean, she's just changing and growing all the time. She is just always showing more and more of her little personality. She's still sleeping great through the night. Nap times are hit or miss, but we're pretty lucky and pretty happy that we're getting like really good nights of sleep now. But this is our last monthly update before you are 1 year old. Do you have anything you want to say? You want to show everyone your cute little dress? Oh, is that your friend in the mirror? There's a mirror right here. Is that your friend? Good. Do you want to look over here and say, thanks so much for watching? And say bye-bye. This is our monthly update. Next time we do one, I'll be 1 year old. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Be sure to subscribe.